Hey everybody, welcome back to the Crypto Sherpa channel where I read you that crypto news. Today's article is coming from Cointelegraph, and Goldman Sachs hedge fund clients are piling back into crypto this year. Institutional clients of Goldman Sachs Asia Pacific arm are showing renewed interest in Bitcoin, Ether, and other crypto assets. So no shock there. Price of Bitcoin's going up, halving's happening. We got the ETFs and so much more has just been going on that it's like, why wouldn't they want to be getting back into it? They're hearing so much more news out there again, renewed energy in all markets. So it's like yeah, this kind of makes sense. But let's hear a little bit more in this article. Goldman Sachs clients have reportedly started to make the jump back into crypto this year, with an appetite renewed by the approval of the spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. Max Minton, head of digital assets for Goldman Asian Pacific, said that many of his firm's largest clients had recently become active or were exploring getting active again in the crypto sector, according to a March 24th report from Bloomberg. Minted added that much of the increased appetite for cryptocurrency stems from the approval of 10 new Bitcoin ETFs in the United States in January. Man, was it really January when that finally got approved? It feels like it was last year. Wills. But this was the rubber stamp to the crypto assets as being a more integral part of traditional markets. The recent ETF approval has triggered a resurgence of interest and activities from our clients. Minton explained that the bulk of the fresh demand comes primarily from Goldman's existing clients by way of his firm's options and futures offerings, with hedge funds being most involved of its clients. Now, Goldman Sachs reported a record $2.8 trillion in assets under management at the end of 2023. Notably, Goldman currently does not offer any spot crypto products to its clients, despite having launched its first crypto trading desk in 2021. The desk only provides exposure to crypto derivatives, including Bitcoin and Ether options and futures. Now, it was a quieter year last year, but we've seen a pickup in interest from clients in onboarding pipeline and volume since the start of the year, Minton said. Minton said that Goldman's clients were primarily using their derivatives to gain exposure to the volatility of crypto, as well as making weighted predictions on where prices were headed in the midterm. Bitcoin-related products stood as the most popular investment vehicles among active clients, added Minton. Minton also looked to the potential approval of a spot Ether ETF in the US as potentially shifting his firm's institutional clients toward Ether. However, Bloomberg ETF analysis have pegged the chances of an Ether ETF approval by May at just 35%, with the Securities and Exchange Commission's prolonged radio silence to would-be funded issuers being seen as increasingly bearish. And this was from Eric Bashunas. Yeah, our odds of an ETF approval may be deadline down to 35%. I get all the reasons they should approve it, and we personally believe they should. But all the sign sources that were making us bullish 2.5 months out of the BTC spot are not there this time. Nope, 35% isn't zero, still possible, and long term, we think it will happen. And I think even BlackRock or Grayscales, one of them came out with an article saying that they don't really despite the SEC's silence or not really talking about it, that doesn't deter them away of like this ETF getting approved. But yeah, Ethereum ETF, that's totally down the pipeline. Just be patient. But regardless of an ETF approval, Minton added that Goldman would seek to expand into a wider universe of clients, including asset management funds, banks, and more specialized crypto asset firms in the future. So there you have it. So that's just news from what was it again? Goldman Sachs, that's right, and how their clients are just jumping back into crypto. So crypto's not dead, guys. Everyone's still pumping on in. And yeah, where do you think the price is going to go? It's pretty crazy right now. Halving's in a couple of days, maybe let's just say a couple of weeks. I just know we're about like 4,000 blocks away or less, so it's getting close. But I hope you guys enjoyed this article read through, and if so, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.